Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in with an administrator account and plugged in if possible. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, open Start, type Settings and press Enter, then choose System and Power and Sleep. Look at the current power plan name so you can restore it later if needed. You're establishing context and safe conditions. This avoids accidental loss of changes. Now move to additional power options. The link is subtle, so keep an eye on the right-hand column. Once on the Additional Power Settings page, click Change Plan Settings next to the active plan, and then change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Sleep and set Sleep After to Never. Expand PCI Express and set Link State Power Management to Off to avoid device-induced sleeping. In Processor Power Management, set Minimum Processor State to 100% when preventing throttling, or set a higher minimum to stop aggressive power saving. These adjustments remove layered triggers, so the system won't enter low power states unexpectedly. After making changes, click Apply and OK, then save changes on the plan page and restart the PC to ensure settings persist. If the settings revert, reboot into Dell BIOS or UEFI and look for power management features like Intel Speed Step or Deep Sleep. Disable them if they override Windows. Make sure power drivers and BIOS are up to date. Firmware can reapply vendor defaults. If something goes wrong, restore the original plan you noted earlier. Update drivers and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.